Hi, my name is Yanick, founder and CEO of Kasi Insight. We are Africa's leading decision intelligence company, providing real-time aggregated trended data across the continent to decision makers. So today, CMO breakfast meeting was the beginning of a series that we are doing to bring insights and data, to marketers in Africa. On the agenda today, we had marketers from the banking industry looking at how can decision intelligence support them in the work that they do, specifically the impact to decision making within the boardroom. So we talked about the banking industry as it relates to marketers. Then we dove into what decision intelligence can do in forms of reporting, metrics that they can provide to the boardroom. And then we had a very insightful discussion about some of the challenges and opportunities for marketers to actually bring their voice, into the boardrooms of banks. I think AI and decision intelligence will play a critical role in the financial sector for a couple of reasons. I believe that the financial sector still has a lot of opportunity to grow in terms of innovation, in terms of being connected to customers and what they want. There's an amazing opportunity for a bank in terms of lifetime value of a customer and being able to support and partner with customers throughout their life cycle and throughout many generations. And so for that, I think AI will play a big role in helping banks, understand what innovation looks like at the speed that the market is going at the moment. Decision intelligence will sort of support the industry in terms of, bringing the insight and bringing the needs and wants of consumer, within the decision-making table, especially at the boardroom. So I think AI and decision intelligence, can really support and empower marketers to help them drive the agenda for bank when it comes to future sustainability. Well, I think there's many ways that can happen. I mean, our data is showing that, for example, 4 out of 5 Kenyans are looking to achieve financial freedom. Yet, less than half of them are saying banks are actually partnering with them to help them achieve that. And so there is definitely a gap between what consumers aspire in terms of achieving financial freedom and what banks are currently offering. So I think tremendous opportunity for banks to get that kind of insight that can support their product innovation, but also the future sort of growth strategy. Banks have told us during the event that it's very difficult to compete because they mostly have the same product and services. So I think one of it is one of the ways to become more competitive is to really unlock and look for consumer insight that would allow them to have value proposition and offer that really can speak to the consumer in a way that no other banks can do. So there's really power in having consumer insight. Yeah. So what stood out for me was, number one, marketers need data and insight. So I think they understand that the market is moving fast. They understand that they have to be, moving at the pace of the industry. And so for that, they need to be armed with data and sort of insight. The second thing was also, the appreciation of how we simplify insight for them. And so I think one thing that stood out to me was the fact that they liked the way we deliver the insight. So it's mine, is the story around it, and it's really simplified. And so that was, one key takeaway for me. I think the last one is that there's hope, within the professionals that, and it just shows with the engagement that we've had during and after the event, that everybody is excited to get access to that data now as opposed to in the future. And so very, very excited about the turnout, and then so we're looking forward to engaging more with marketers. This is just the beginning of the journey, and so we're looking forward to engaging more with them. My parting shot is the same with my same parting shot all the time. If you're a marketer in the financial industry, and you're facing challenges with having access to data, insight on and across the continent, Cassie is here and help is not coming. Help is here already. And so you just have to get in touch with us. We'll book a 1-hour session with you, and you're literally 1 hour away from getting that presentation that you deserve in the boardroom.